আলো জগত জননী জগত রোহিণী মা জননী হরণী আমায় মা জননী
So when we started working with the first iteration of this project, which we did in the September 2024, which was about a residency where we had different artists, practitioners from different parts of the country to engage with the bell metal craft in Balakati, Bhubaneswar, we really felt that how we could talk or extend the engagement in a continuous basis.
It was a very helpful process for me that I was able to go from one cluster to another, meet the artisans who are engaged with the craft, see the different kind of objects they are making, know about different histories which are associated with the objects and the people who are engaged with the craft. Also in my process, I have always been very intuitive to making photographs, trying to also translate that why we are doing this or why this is necessary to the artisan.
I was trying to look here is like, what are the craftsmen saying? How the craft is being practiced. There are problems, there are other things, but still some people they're working, and though they're claiming it won't be there for longer run, but still they're practicing. And so I just wanted to know from their point of view why they're doing. In my article, I'm basically trying to approach it like it's an anthological essay which talks about craft, this Kansa craft practice of Odisha today. What are the places? What is the standard procedure? How it's connected with the life and society? Why this craft is being vanished?
ଶିକ୍ଷିତୀ ଜଣେ ଫଟୋଗ୍ରାଫର ଯିଏ ଫଟୋ ଉଠାଉଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ବିଲାସ ଯିଏକି ତା ଉପରେ ଲେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ତ ତାଙ୍କ ସହିତ ମୁଁ ରହିକି ଯେତେବେଳେ ମୁଁ ଇଲଷ୍ଟ୍ରେସନ୍ କଥା ଭାବୁଛି ଯେ କେମିତି ମୁଁ ପାର୍ଟ ବାଇ ପାର୍ଟ ବା ଷ୍ଟେପ୍ ବାଇ ଷ୍ଟେପ୍ ମୋତେ ଦେଖେଇବାର ଅଛି ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ଗାଁ ଯାଇକି କାରିଗରମାନଙ୍କ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ କଥା ହେଉଥିଲୁ ସେମାନେ ଏମିତି ଏମିତି ଆମକୁ ଷ୍ଟୋରି କହିଥିଲେ ଯେଉଁଟାକୁ କେବଳ ଆମେ ଡ୍ରଇଂ ମାଧ୍ୟମରେ ଦେଖେଇ ପାରିବା ତ ସେଇ ଜିନିଷକୁ ମୁଁ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବରେ କଳ୍ପନା କରିକି ସେଇ ଗ୍ୟାପ୍ଟା ରହୁଛି ଫଟୋଗ୍ରାଫ୍ସ ଆଉ ଲେଖାକୁ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ମୁଁ ମୋ ଚିତ୍ର ମାଧ୍ୟମରେ ବା ଇଲଷ୍ଟ୍ରେସନ୍ ମାଧ୍ୟମରେ ତାକୁ ମୁଁ ଦେଖେଇ ପାରିବି.
We will be able to go back to the artisan and return this book to them. So they have something tactile and tangible to look at, that whatever research was happening while these random people, they are coming to the village and asking them and bugging them with all these questions. So kya hai output? At least now this photo book will become a source of, enabling different kinds of discourses among different audience. Matlab among the people who are interested in craft, among the karigars, amongst the policy makers, so different kind of stakeholders will have access to this material and I hope my visuals are also able to trigger imaginations in people and enable them to see the craft more differently than what they have already being seen.
This photographic intervention as an exercise could look at this documentation of the craft as well as looking at the documentation of the current situations through which the craft is going through as a form of storytelling, as a form of engagement that is not just limited to the so-called idea of what documentation is.